Hello everyone, welcome to the Stock Trading Tutor channel. In this video, we'll be seeing Ant IQ, which is a product of Alice Blue for learning and using technical strategies for your trading. Now, let's go to Ant IQ product by going to aliceblueonline.com first and select the Trade Store option in the top here. So the trade store shows you all of the products and partners of Alice Blue. Now, as you can see here, we have the Alice Blue's Ant IQ. So this is the best strategy for you to become a millionaire, upgrade your trading skills and knowledge with an advanced level understanding. And as you can see, this is completely free. So you can select the Try Now button. It will open the Ant IQ page in Alice Blue. So as you scroll down the first page of Ant IQ, you can see there are lots of strategies, commodity channel index, and so many other indicators and indexes that you can use for your daily trading strategies. So if you select and open one of them, so this is the chandelier exit we have opened, and this is an indicator, specifically a volatility indicator. So once this page opens, you can see that here we have the description about the chandelier exit and how you can use this strategy for trading. So you can apply the chandelier exit onto your candlestick pattern and you can see how it will look on your chart, and you can learn how to use the long position, the short position, and the exit, and it has been clearly marked here. So in this way you can look at lots of strategies and learn. And you also have options of filtering through it. You can learn methodologies like scalp trading, day trading, swing trading, and positional trading. Now let's look at indicators here. We have trend indicators, momentum indicators, volatility, and so on. We also have candlestick patterns if you would like to look at those. And you can learn more about the different candlestick patterns and how to identify them. Now let's look at the inverted hammer pattern. So as we can see here, the candlestick pattern has been given, the description on how you can identify it, the criteria, and how you can enhance the signal for getting the buy signal, the sell signal, and when you should enter or exit the market, and how the pattern will behave. So you can use it according to your trading strategy and your understanding. Now let's look at expert advisors. So expert advisors you can directly apply into your Ant Desk platform. So Expert Advisors is like a trade script strategy which we have given that you can directly apply, and it will generate alerts for you when it comes to buying or selling signals. So as we can see, there are some bearish engulfing, bearish matching high, turtle channel, parabolic SAR, and so much more. So let's open a few and I'll show you how you can get the Expert Advisor code. As you can see here, the EA code. You can apply this to your Ant Desk platform. So if you are an Alice Blue client, you can you can download the Ant Desk platform onto your personal computer. And as we can see here, this is the moving average convergence divergence, more commonly known as MACD. So here we have the description, the criteria, the entry, and stop loss levels, all perfectly given here for explanation. Now here are the buy script and the sell script. So as we have already mentioned, here's the note. The above uh, expert advisor scripts are applicable only for Ant Desk users. So you can open the Ant Desk platform onto your computer. As we can see here, this is the watch list and we have a few charts open for your understanding. So now we will add the expert advisor. So as we can see, here we have the MACD. We'll add this script. So once you select the expert advisors option, you can go to the artificial intelligence button in the menu section and click the create expert advisor. So here we have the EA name, description, message, the buy, and the sell script. So let's fill those up with the information here. because you'll need to know about the understand some more. If you ever look at it and get a little confused, it's better to have these filled. It's okay if you already know these two. It's not compulsory to have those filled, but this by script and cell script are very important. So these are the main for getting the alerts on your uh, trading platform and desk. So copy this by script and the cell script and paste it onto your ant desk platform. And once you select preview, it should show you a notification in this right side corner here. And as you can see, this here is the expert advisor alert, and that's it. You can select the save button, and the expert advisor will be saved onto your ad desk software. There was the confirmation. You can close this. You can add in one more strategy. Here we have the bearish harami strategy. Let's create a new expert advisor. Now we will select the bearish harami patterns. Let's enter that here. And let's just go directly into the buy script and the sell script. If you'd like to give the description so that you can identify, you can do that also. And you can select the save button. Okay, so it needs some extra information. And once you select the save button, this bearish harami expert advisor has been saved. And next we will see how you can generate the alerts and apply this onto your daily charts. Yes. Okay, now let's go to one of the charts. So here we have the Yes Bank. We have already applied the expert advisors here. However, you can open the chart and you can select the expert advisors by selecting them and apply. Or here we have no expert advisors on this chart. Let's apply that here. You can select all the expert advisor strategies that you want to apply. You can select all, or you can just use a few. Some of them are default that come with the platform itself. Or you can also create your own script if you are very well versed in trading and strategy. So let's apply it on the crude oil also. So once you've applied the advisor, this corner here we'll have this logo or this small button here which will give you an indication that it has been applied. Now let's see what kind of alerts have been generated once you apply this um, expert advisor. So here we have the generated alert. Once you apply the expert advisors, this page will open the separate watch list tab, and here we'll have the generated alerts. So as we can see here, I have already applied the expert advisor for Yes Bank, and here we have the source expert advisor, what strategy was applied, the turtle channel, and here we have the bearish matching high. So in here we have the 3-minute chart. You can remove all of this also. Select the apply button and you can change the chart to a 15-minute chart as intraday and just select that. You can adjust the chart based on your preference and then you can apply the expert advisor. This is just for example for which we are applying all of this. You can just specifically apply based on your preference. So as you can see here, the strategy, total channel, the 3-minute charts previously which I had applied, the trading symbol for Yes Bank, the order type, the product, the quantity, the price at which, and here we have the trigger price isn't given here, and here is the buy signal. As you can see, these two expert advisor scripts have a automatically generated alerts for buying this specific stock. In this way, you can apply the expert advisor stock onto your Ant Desk platform, and you can use this as a supplement to your trading strategy to get signals if you are unsure and you're just beginning. This will be helpful. If you're an experienced trader, you can create your own scripts and apply it onto the Ant Desk platform by yourself. As you can see, it's simple as create new expert advisor and writing the script based on learning how the charts work. So you can go to the expert advisor and with the multitude of strategies that are here, you can apply the one which you have specific preference over based on your trading strategy or style. If you have any doubts, you can leave it in the comment section of this video and we'll try to clear every single one of them. Thank you for watching this video. For more videos on stock market and trading, please subscribe to this channel. If you'd like to create a free demat account with Alice Blue, click the link in the description and fill out your details. You'll also get intraday recommendation calls and you can learn robot trading software for free.